This is the main control panel for the Elddis 196. So the first thing you need to do is switch on your master button here. Without switching that on, nothing in the motorhome will work. Now at the top you can see the dial. So at the moment that is telling you the charge that you have in your leisure battery. So at the moment it's showing nearly at 15 volts. So that's charged up really well. If it drops below 12, then you need to think about putting some charge back into the battery. You can do that by just driving the vehicle, because the vehicle battery, when it's running, will charge up the leisure battery. And we've also got the solar panel on top of the motorhome as well, which also charges the battery up, obviously when it's a nice sunny day. If you hold the water button down, you can see that dial then moves. So what this dial is now telling you is how much water you've got in your fresh water tank. So it was just show, if you just press it again, so it's showing that you've got about a quarter full tank in there. So you just keep an eye on that and top up your fresh water when you need to. To the right of the water switch, you'll see there's two lights, a red one and a green one. So the red one will light up when your waste water tank is full and needs emptying. So this is all of your water that comes through your plug holes basically, so your taps and your shower. So when that's full, you need to empty it. Obviously if you're on site, it's advisable just to keep that empty more frequently. The green light below, that will just light up when you're actually running any water. So when you're using your taps, using your toilet flush or having a shower, that will just light up to show that it's working. Now the button with the pump, so you need to have that switched on in order to use any water. So that's just your pressurized system that sends you water to your taps. So we'd recommend that you keep that off when you're not using water, and just have that switched on when you're going to wash up, when you're having a shower, etc. Okay, below you've got the tank heater switch, so you probably won't need to worry about this. The only time you need to have this switched on is if the temperature's going to be below freezing. You'll need to have that one switched on. Okay, moving over to the left, we've obviously done the master switch. So the awning switch, so this is the light on the outside. So if you sat out in the evening, just switch that one on, it will give you some light on the outside. And then above that you've got your light switch. So these are your main lights in the motorhome. There are additional lights dotted around, so you'll just need to spot those and switch them on individually, but that switch will do your main lights in the motorhome.